What if your outfit could make you radiate confidence? Imagine wearing colors and styles that don't just look good, but they feel powerful, bold, and radiant. Today, we're channeling that energy, your sun energy or sun aura, into your personal style. When it comes to fashion, there's no better way to embody your sun aura than through colors and materials that channel your inner fire. Key colors to wear include gold for strength, power, and energy. An added plus if they have sun-like shapes like circles or a starburst. Think rings, hoop earrings, or bracelets that shimmer like the sun. Yellow for positivity and joy. Think of iconic yellow dresses like the one in How to Lose a Man in 10 Days or Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And burnt orange or amber for grounded warmth and vitality. Think of amber accessories like jewelry, handbags, or shoes. When it comes to your hair and makeup, the goal is to channel that sunny, glowing energy. For hair, think of statement hairdos or crown-like styles, voluminous spiraling coils, or golden highlights. For makeup, go for sun-kissed looks like bronzer or gold highlighter. The sun also rules over vitality, so more natural bare-faced looks may also channel that energy. Finally, you can also channel sun energy through accessories and designs that have symbolic meaning. Think suns or sunray pendants, earrings and rings, lion motifs representing the bold energy of Leo, which is ruled by the sun, and crown-shaped accessories symbolizing personal power. It takes a lot of confidence to wear a crown or tiara as a fashion statement, so even if you're not feeling up to wearing that out in public, maybe try wearing one for yourself at home to give you that permission slip to feel powerful. A lot of times when we feel silly doing something new, it's because we're not allowing ourselves to channel that certain energy. Fashion is a playful way we can try on these different kinds of roles, like being a leader or feeling in charge. When it comes to dressing for more sun energy, it's about using personal style to channel more confidence, creativity, and positivity. Let me know if you're planning to infuse more sun energy into your personal style. I'd love to hear about your favorite sun-inspired fashion pieces in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more astro energy tips, and until next time, keep shining. Bye.